The first gavel of the 150th Delaware General Assembly. 12 new representatives and 3 new senators joined Delaware's re-elected lawmakers to tackle old business.
I think bringing the budget smoothing bill, House Bill 440, that came up at the end of last session, making sure that a similar piece of legislation gets introduced to make sure that we're in a good place financially going forward.
Senator Lopez, who serves the 6th District, which includes parts of Sussex County, says that the last session was particularly beneficial to the environment with the ban of offshore drilling being passed. And he says that this session, lawmakers are looking at the possibility of strengthening that bill while pushing for the growth of the county.
It seems as though the Trump administration is continuing to look to move forward in regards to oil exploration off the East Coast. So looking at ways in which we may have to modify the legislation that we enacted last year to strengthen it, to make it better for Delawareans.
Speaker of the House Representative Pete Schwartzkopf agrees that the Assembly stands strong against offshore drilling despite bringing in new members.
We're also against the sonic testing. There's a group that's organizing right now to fight it, and I'm part of that group.
And like Lopez, Schwartzkopf sees the budget smoothing bill coming back up again, but he's not too optimistic.
I don't know that it gets out of committee this year. I mean, the only reason it wasn't run last year is because the only way I could get the vote I needed was to put amendments on it that weakened it so much I might as well not even do the bill.
The 150th General Assembly runs through June 30th, 2020. In Dover, I'm Mallory Metzner for WRDE, Delmarva Zone, NBC Station.